sometimes you may want to rename files and folders that you have. So over here, you can see that there is a bunch of files. So if you want to rename them, you can go around, click on any of the file or folder, then you can right click over here, and then you can click on rename right here. On home version of Windows, you can right click, go to more option, and then rename it out just like this. So over here, I'm just going to say this is tutorial right here. So I'm just going to go around, click, type it, and click outside, and that has been renamed. So click, you can go around over here, right click, rename, and again type any thing that you want, like TutorTube right here, and then go around, click outside, and then it'll be renamed out as you can see. So in my case, when I renamed this, it already had the file with same name, so it actually added in 2 to avoid confusion. So that is what it actually does as well when you rename it. Another way you can rename it is instead of right clicking, you simply go around, click on the file that you want to rename, and again, once when the file is selected, click again right here, and then the renaming option pops up right here. So you can rename as per what you want right here. You can also press enter, or you can click outside and the file has been renamed as you can see. And that is how you can rename files and folders inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.